Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm sharing the complete journey of how I built and published my first mobile app called Miro. That is a spoken Tamil learning app made for Sinhala speakers in Sri Lanka. From MVP to PayHere rejection and to fixing everything and finally submitting to Google Play Store. So let's go.
When you said to me, you really need space to breathe. I know something's up your silky little sleeve. Your silky little sleeve. Something's up your silky little sleeve. Your silky little sleeve.
Let me first explain what Miro is. Miro is a mobile app specially designed for Sinhala speaking people in Sri Lanka who want to learn spoken Tamil in an easy and practical way. So I built this because I saw a real need in our country. Many people want to learn Tamil for their work and for their daily communication or personal reasons. So I have been building this app in public for the last 50 days. I posted consistent updates on my Twitter account, so I showed my progress, struggle, and small wins also. This is something new I started building in public. So it helped me stay consistent and also get valuable feedbacks from other members in the building public community. So now comes the most interesting and honest part. When I tried to integrate payment with PayHere, I got rejected not once but twice. The first rejection is they ask for freelancing profile or to register as home base category. So I fixed my website, added policies and resubmitted. The second rejection is partner bank asked me to send a screencast of the full mobile app showing all functionalities to support at payhere.lk. So what I did, I recorded a complete screen recording of Miro app and then sent it to their support team and fix everything they asked. So finally got approval. Next, before submitting to Play Store, I created a detailed checklist and tested everything properly. Finally, I submitted the app to Google Play Store. This is the first time I am publishing a mobile app. I am really excited and a bit nervous too. So in the next video, I will show you the Play Store review process and what happens after submit.